5 myths why your colon health matters. Hi, I'm Sam, and I'm quite familiar with the daily feeling of a bloated stomach and slow digestion because of stress, sitting too much at work, or unhealthy diet in my life. And like you, most of the stuff I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I checked the following 5 tips why colon cleanse is important and implemented the right steps in my daily life that I saw significant reduction of my colon problems. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Tip number 1. Tip number 1. More energy. Your colon gets bombarded with toxins at one time or another. This can cause you to feel tired and you are too exhausted to work and so on. This happens due to unhealthy meal choices. You will note that after cleansing the colon, you are likely to feel inner and outer renewal. Your body needs to spend much less energy and resources in fighting waste and toxins. So that's why colon cleansing can significantly increase your energy levels. Tip number 2. Less constipation. Over the time, your colon can get clogged with plaque-like substances because of unhealthy food choices we make once in a while. If your colon is not working properly, this kind of waste can be stuck for a really long time in your digestive system, which releases toxins and weakens your body. That's why a regular colon cleanse is helpful to remove all the junk out of the intestinal walls. This improves your overall digestion and allows the waste to pass off more freely. Tip number 3. Reduce diarrhea. The opposite of constipation is diarrhea. Some of you may suffer from that because your colon isn't working properly. It can happen that your digestive system doesn't absorb the right amount of water out of the stool, which makes it moist or watery. Another problem can be that a continuing diarrhea leads to dehydration, which is unhealthy. In this case, doing a colon cleanse can also support to maintain the right consistency of your waste. Tip number 4. Clear skin. I'm sure you know somebody who gets acne if they eat too much junk food. Well, this is also directly related to your colon. Acne can be caused by toxins in your body. If your colon isn't working completely, toxins can remain there. The toxins hiding in your colon can actually enter your bloodstream. Your body tries then to get rid of these toxins through the pores in your skin. So do a regular colon cleanse to eliminate waste and toxins in your body so your skin is clear and smooth. Tip number 5. Bad breath. If you eat unhealthy food, it can happen that you have bad breath. This is caused by food which isn't properly digested. Also, bad breath is an indicator of an imbalanced diet, especially when you eat a lot of processed food and junk food without enough fresh vegetables and fruits. You may suffer from bad breath. Other people can tell from your smell if you are healthy or not. So do a colon cleanse and adapt a healthy diet. This will significantly help you to have a fresh breath. There you have it. Work all 5 of those into your daily routine and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. Now with that said, there are even better strategies to potentially cleanse your entire body, not just your colon, to feel the reduction of symptoms much faster. I put together a 100% free 3-step body cleanse action plan for you to help you with this. So if you want to learn how to systematically cleanse your body, follow the simple 3-step formula in my 100% free guide. This is what worked well for me when pretty much all else failed. So you can get it for free at coloncleansehelper.com. So to get that, just type into your browser URL address bar coloncleansehelper.com. And again, this will show you how to systematically cleanse your body following a simple 3-step formula. Type that in or click the link in the video description below. My name is Sam and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. I see you in the next video.